Happy Jamhuri Day, Kenya. Although I heard that your new president no longer wants to celebrate Jamhuri, but refusing to celebrate Jamhuri and talk about politics on Jamhuri Day is like refusing to celebrate your parents' birthday because now they have turned 100 years old. Jamhuri is very significant to us. So since Baba also cancelled his event, for us who are in abroad and we are still proud to be Kenyans, we were waiting for Baba's event. But now that you people, both of you, are not celebrating, I want to celebrate on behalf of all the Kenyans who are abroad, because the Kenyans who are back at home no longer celebrate Jamhuri, and our history is important for us to know how far we have come and how far we can go. IT is very important. Actually, I'm using IT right now, but we need to create another day to celebrate IT, but we should not grab away or take away from what we already have, because this day reminds us of our heroes who have not received even justice till today. Their families are still not having the bodies that were taken away and killed because they were revolting against the colonizers. The slaves who were taken, we have for Jesus still standing tall in Mombasa. All these things happened in our history, and we cannot assume that they never happened. Our children have the right to know how far we have come. Our children have the right to know the history. Our children have the right to know IT as well. So it's good for us to have the two separate days, one to celebrate IT, another one to celebrate Jamhuri. And again, we need to tell our children that we too have something to offer the world. Look at M-Pesa. It started from Kenya, but so far so good. We don't know who started it, because that person who started it, the copyrights were not given to them. So it's time to also empower ourselves, have our own copyrights, so that we don't have our things taken over, As much as we appreciate the other families from all over the world, it's also good to appreciate our own family unit. Our own family unit as Africans, our own family unit as Black people, our own family unit as Kenyans, I am very passionate about the unity of Africa, but I'm still also passionate about every individual. We cannot push away individualism. We need to appreciate it, appreciate our differences, but we need to unite together as a human race. So, happy Jamhuri Day to all of us.